My name is Donald Marquez, and this is Your Insurance Connection. If you're tuning in for the very first time, I talk about insurance on Your Insurance Connection, and we keep you informed on all about your insurance. If you're concerned about your insurance, and you should be, because you spend a lot of money each month for insurance, auto, home, life insurance. Every month you pay your insurance bill. Everyone has to have insurance. It's one of those commodities that you have. You don't see it, you don't feel it, you don't touch it, but you have to have it. If you own a home, you have to have a homeowner's insurance. If you drive a car, and most of us do, especially in Southern Nevada, we have to have auto insurance. And if you rent, you need renter's insurance. And you should have life insurance. Everyone should have life insurance because everyone dies. And it costs money when you pass away. A lot of us spend more money on auto insurance than we ever can imagine for life insurance. We make excuses for life insurance, but we don't hesitate to purchase auto insurance. What's wrong with that? I mean, I know people that spend $400 a month on auto insurance and don't want to spend $50 a month for life insurance. What's wrong with that? I mean, if you're going to spend $300 or $400 a month on an auto insurance policy, and you want to think about a life insurance policy, but you don't mind spending $300 or $400 a month, because it is a privilege to drive. Yeah, I get that. But our priorities are like, okay, I'm going to spend $300 or $400 a month on my auto insurance policy, but I don't want to spend no money for life insurance. Or, most common, sometimes, not all the time, but sometimes we get that, well, I want to think about it. You put more money in your car insurance each month than you do in your own life to protect your family. If you're going to protect the car, protect your family. We can help you with that. My name is Donald Marquez. You're tuning into Your Insurance Connection. This is how we're going to start this show. My number is 702-236-2624. 702-236-2624. Give me a call today. Pick up the phone right now. 702-236-2624. Leave your name and your number. I'll call you right back after the show. 702-236-2624. Now, if you want to call in and ask any questions, right here at 88.1, we're live. The number is 702-647-3688. Good morning, Frank. How you doing today, man?
Good morning. How are you?
Oh, man, I just got back off of vacation. I just need a little bit of a break. I went down to San Diego. The weather was beautiful there, and I'm just ready and I'm energized to get back to work. I've been on a couple of vacations. I went to New York about a month ago, and to San Diego just to chill out, man. You know, just to get my head right and just do my thing here. And then once because in this business, I've been doing this for 23 years. You need to recharge your batteries, and just go for it. Just go for it. How was your weekend?
It was pretty good.
It was pretty good. Right. Okay. Now, Frank, I want you to tell people a little bit about yourself.
I'm marketing and advertising.
You didn't forget, did you? What you do?
Well, I do so much. I was trying to focus in on one thing, so I do marketing and advertising for local businesses, mostly working with video. So just setting up YouTube channels for local businesses and pushing them to do video to market their products and services.
All right, and he's on team. Right. And he's on Team Marquez, so if you need to get in touch with him, what is your phone number?
Yeah, it's 702-979-4877.
Say that again so they can get it.
702-979-4877. This show is also being recorded on Facebook Live, so
absolutely
all that information will be on there also.
On Facebook Live. And I want to thank the people that's on Facebook. And YouTube. Facebook and YouTube. I want to thank the people that tune in on Facebook and Facebook Live and with their comments and questions. And also the people that came in last week and purchased home, auto, and life insurance. Not only last week, but this whole time I've been on the air. Thank you so much. It's been 5 years since I've been on the air right here at 88.1. And I just want to thank the community, the 88.1 family for supporting my business and help others along the way. I've helped Frank, I've helped other insurance agents, I've helped you. So by collectively coming together as a family, as a unit, we all benefit from this information that you receive right here, 88.1. I also want to thank the staff and management at KCEP, the all-new Power 88. They're a wonderful staff. And this is your radio station. Anytime you want to come here and just say hello to any of the celebrities here, or the personalities here, as we call them, you're welcome to do so. This is our radio station. So, yeah, and when it comes to donating to this radio station, feel free to donate anytime. You don't have to wait when they ask them for the money. Just come in. Hey, I just want to drop off $5 or $10 because I just do appreciate what I hear from 88.1 right here, home of the People Station. I grew up in West Las Vegas. I've seen 88 grow up as well, 40 years old. 40 years ago, this station started, and look where we are today. Let's keep her strong. Let's keep her well-fed with money. This 88.1 is our baby. We need to feed our baby, and then it takes cash to do that. So don't hesitate to come here and give them a couple dollars. It'll go for a worthy cause, maybe another talk show. Not this talk show, but a different type of talk show. Good morning, Frank. So what do we have today for our listeners? What questions we have from our Facebook listeners?
Okay, we have a couple of life insurance questions. The first one, this woman says that she just had her first child who is less than 6 months old, and she feels like it's time for her to get life insurance for her family. She wants to choose either a 25-year policy for $1.2 million or a 30-year policy for $1 million. And she says from her calculations, $1 million is the very minimum it would take to.
Okay, we got a little feedback here.
To pay off all the debt, and she wants to know if that's a good strategy.
Yeah, it's an excellent strategy, especially with first of all, I want to say congratulations on your newborn. I always encourage people, if you're young enough and healthy enough to afford a larger life insurance policy, get it done. Now, let's say this person is in their mid-30s. Okay, here's a great opportunity for a young family to take advantage of their youth and their health. And I would suggest a 30-year term policy, not a 25-year term policy, a 30-year term policy. Again, if this person is in their mid-30s, good health, you're going to get an excellent rate to protect your family just in case that day comes. And it comes for all of us. Everybody dies. That's a pure fact. But, when you pass away, someone is responsible for your final expenses. Not only your final expenses, closing out all your finances. Closing out all of your finances. Sometimes it takes some time, especially if you're on multiple properties. You have bank accounts together. You have retirement funds together. I mean, it takes a while to close all that out, and it takes money. So don't ever think that, I don't care if I pass away, and I don't care, because you should care, because someone is left with the burden of paying for your final expenses. And if a person has a child and they want to, like this young lady, she has a 6-month-old, and she want to protect her baby for the rest of that person's life. $100,000 is not what it used to be. Okay, $200,000 is not what it used to be. Even with a $100,000 life insurance policy, how long would that last a 1-year-old child? Just think about it. It won't last that much. So a child at $100,000, it's going to take at least $15,000 for the final expenses to get you buried. That leaves $85,000. How long will $85,000 last a 1-year-old up until age 18? Not much. You do the math. And it's not a lot of money these days, especially, and including inflation on top of that. That's why life insurance is very important. 702-236-2624. And let me add to that just a little bit. That's my phone number, 702-236-2624. My seniors out there, 55 and older, and you're walking around here with no life insurance, and you call me up and you want to get a quote over the phone. We don't do quotes over the phone. It's a face-to-face. We have to do a face-to-face for life insurance. I just want to tell you, I want you to come into my office. We sit down and have a conversation. We're going to have a real conversation. I ask you questions about your health. I'm going to try to find the best product for you. I represent 66 life insurance companies. Let me do the shopping for you. My name is Donald Marquez. You're tuning into Your Insurance Connection. I write homeowners, auto, and life insurance. We talk about life insurance a lot on 88.1. And the reason why is because, as I started this show earlier, a lot of us spend a lot more money on auto insurance than we do on life insurance. Now, of course, we're going to give you a full review. We're going to look at your home, your auto, your life insurance. But this is where we lack at, and as a society, as a people. We don't take care of the next generation. The next generation don't need another car insurance payment. The next generation don't need a car payment. What they do need is a continuation of their lives, and don't put them in debt. So with a life insurance policy will guarantee the continuation of the next generation. It's going to give them a leg up. Although if it pays for, your final expenses, just imagine, You're not putting your family in a $15,000 debt, more debt than they are already in. This is why it's so important to take care of the next generation, because it's our responsibility. Call me today at 702-236-2624, 702-236-2624. Go ahead, Frank, with the next question, please.
All right. This person had colon cancer 6 years ago and has been cancer-free since. And they said they've been declined life insurance or quoted extremely high rates. So they want to know, how should they answer questions when asked have they been treated in the past 5 years?
Yes, that's a good question. Real good question. And now, cancer goes back anywhere from 7 to 10 years. With most of these life insurance companies, if you're looking to get the larger life insurance policy, it depends on, how long you've been treated, or if you're still taking medication, or if you're still taking medication for a cancer so the cancer won't come back. To take preventative cancer treatments. If you're still on medication, then it's going to be a little bit of a challenge. We can still get your life insurance policy. The reason why you've been turned down is because you're trying to get that larger policy. A lot of times, too, when you go to an insurance agent and they only have that one product to offer you, say, for instance, let's say if you go to the farm, right? The farm just can't do what I do. The farm can say, we have the farm products. This is it. Now, you get turned down from the farm, although you've been with the farm a long time. They can't shop for you. The difference between me and the farm is I'm also an insurance agent, but I have options. I represent multiple companies, and I used to be a captive agent too, where I can only offer the product the company I work for. I couldn't offer them any other options, and now if it doesn't fit, I would have to refer them to a broker like I am today. I'm a broker today. I'm an insurance broker that can do the shopping for you. So take advantage of this opportunity you have through me, 702-236-2624. I can shop for you. I know what the questions to ask. I can place you with the right company. And I represent Mutual of Omaha, Prudential, Pacific Life, Banner Insurance Company, Lincoln Heritage Life Insurance Company, and many, many more. And many more. Auto insurance carriers, Progressive, Safeco, Travelers. I mean, the list just goes on and on. Let me do the shopping for you. Doesn't cost you anything, by the way. Doesn't cost you anything. Just come in, sit down, we'll have a conversation. 702-236-2624. My location is right on the corner of Sahara and Rancho in the beautiful U.S. Bank building. I'm located on the 8th floor. 702-236-2624. Call me today.
And we got one more life insurance question. This person says that they pay over $200 a month for a term policy on his wife. And she has type 2 diabetes, and this was disclosed at the signing. However, she stopped taking meds and does not always follow the doctor's orders. If she dies from this, can they refuse payout?
Good question. So she's taking medication. She was approved for a life insurance policy, right? She's no longer taking the medications. Well, I mean, if it's within the 2 years, I don't. She has a pre-existing condition. They approved her based on a pre-existing condition. Now, if she passes away because she doesn't take the medication, will they not pay the claim? Now, keep in mind, all life insurance companies can contest a life insurance policy within the first 2 years. And that's usually for concealment. She didn't conceal anything. She revealed to them she had type 2 diabetes. They accepted the risk. They would pay the policy. And the reason why, because usually, and I'm going to tell you something, with diabetics, it's very difficult for them to purchase life insurance today. A lot of these insurance companies, even the ones I work with, they don't want the diabetics. However, I do have companies that do. I have a handful of companies that will take a person with diabetes. Also, if a person has HIV or AIDS, if they're over 50 and older, up to age 85, we can get them a life insurance policy up to $25,000. Yes, up to $25,000. With AIDS or HIV, you're not going to get $100,000. I'm going to tell you that right now. It's not going to happen. And I can get you what we call a whole life policy, not term, whole life. Whole life. Now, again, this person has diabetes. They reveal themselves. And anytime you get a larger life insurance policy, they're going to be physicals. They're going to be tests, maybe saliva, body fluids. The insurance company has have to underwrite the policy. As an insurance agent, we don't have control over the underwriting decision. Your body dictates the rate. Whatever health class you're in, this is how and your age and your health dictates the rate. Not the insurance agent. The insurance agent doesn't have that power. Because what we do, we take the information, we give it to the insurance company. They send it to an underwriter for the insurance company. They underwrite the business. They have the policies and procedures. They're going to get a lot of information from your doctor. And a lot of times, too, the doctor slows the process down, not the insurance agent. Because once we submit to the doctor, it sits on the doctor's desk for quite some time. And that's why sometimes I'll even pick up the phone and encourage you, contact your doctor. We're trying to get this, we're trying to get your medical records, and please help us speed up the process so we can get your life insurance policy issued. Now, they're taking about 8 weeks to get a policy issued. And if sometimes with the doctors involved, it may even take longer. And if the VA is involved, oh my goodness. Hurry up and wait. Now, if you're a veteran, you know exactly what that means. But we do our best. We try to do everything we can. But we do encourage you to go to your doctors and say, listen, I'm trying to get life insurance. Please release my medical records. And that's all. Sometimes that's all they need is a request from you. It gets held up. For whatever reason, they don't contact you and say they're requesting medical records from you. Please expedite. That's all you need to do. And as an insurance agent, I'll pick up the phone and call you and just, hey, give them a call so we can get this taken care of. My name is Donald Marquez. You're tuning in to Your Insurance Connection, 702-236-2624, 702-236-2624, 702-236-2624 is my phone number. My location is right on the corner of Sahara and Rancho in the beautiful U.S. Bank building. I'm located on the 8th floor. I work by appointment. I want to see you today. Give me a call. We can work it out. We can make it happen for you. We can find a policy that fits in your budget. Give us a call. 702-236-2624. The Don Father, he's coming in today. I didn't expect him today, but you know what? Let me go outside and greet him, and I'll be right back. Stay tuned. Thank you, Donald Marquez. You go ahead and eat those peppers and sausage I brought you today. Have a good time. Hey, family out there, 88.1. I just want to say this is the Don Father. I know it's been a minute since I've been on the show. They locked me up. They had me in custody for a little while because, they asked me all these questions. They asked me about this thing, that thing, the first thing, the second thing, all these things. They think I know everything. I do, but I don't tell them. Don't tell nobody I told you that. But anyway, I come over here to talk to you about your insurance, life insurance, because Donald Marquez will send me out to see you if you don't take care of your family. And that's very important for you to take care of your family because I'm the Don Father. The Don Father's an old school cat from all over the place. Chicago, New York, Cincinnati, Ohio, Detroit, LA. Yeah, I just got many places I go. But right here in Vegas, I like Vegas because it's, the home of the casinos. We built this a long, long time ago. We built this a long time ago. But I don't have nothing to do. So Donald Marquez will send me to see you. If you don't pay your life insurance or you need life insurance, I'll come in. I don't even knock on the door. I just come in the door and say, hey, what's the matter with you? I'll shake you up a little bit. But you're going to sign that life insurance contract. You're going to sign that life insurance contract because you don't want to see me. I'm the Don Father. I bring little Joey. Little Joey ain't little. He's a big guy. We call him Little Joey because he eats a little, but he's a big guy. Anyway, I'm the Don Father. How you doing, Frankie?
All right. How you doing, Don?
Oh, man, I'm good. You watching football games, Frankie?
Yeah, they were really good. Real good.
What was really good about them? Either won or they lost. That was what somebody wasn't good because they lost the game. The winners was good, but the losers wasn't good.
You're right about that. And while I was watching, I had a question. I always wondered where you're from.
Oh, Frankie, you ask a lot of questions. Every time I come on the show, you ask questions. I'm from Chicago. I just said Chicago, New York, Detroit. I'm from all over the place, Frankie.
Oh.
then L.A., Detroit, D.C., New York. I'm all over. I'm from here, there, everywhere.
Oh.
Why you ask me these questions?
I was watching a football game, and I was just wondering what team.
Well, you get me a little nervous. You act like an investigator or something. I got. That's a lot of questions. But anyway, well, one of the biggest things that concerns me is this. Especially these older guys. The older guys, that walk around and they got these suits on, their clothes, and their nice cars, and they fancy cars. They drive these fancy cars, brand new cars. They get a brand new car. And you ask them, hey, you talk to Donald Marquez about your life insurance. Huh? First thing they say, you got a brand new car. Nobody's going to end up, what your wife ought to do is bury you in that car. Bury you in the car along with the car payments. That's what I tell you. You don't have no life insurance. You have a brand new car, nice shoes you wear, and no life insurance. What's the matter with you, man? See, this is the kind of people that, and Donald Marquez, he holds me back because I want to go talk to this guy. It's always the guys. It's not so much the ladies. I get the ladies a lot of credit, but it's always the guys. The guys, they don't want to take care of their families, and I never could understand. All the heads of the families. Now, the guys that I run around with, they know better. They know better. We all come together. We purchase our life insurance from Donald Marquez because these good fellas I run with, they need life insurance because you never know. One day we sitting around talking, playing poker, having a good time, and the next day, one of the chairs are empty. It goes like that in my business, but we want to make sure the little ones, the husband taken care of, the wife is taken care of, the little children taken care of, and the little doggies. I like the little doggies, Frank. The big doggies, not so much, because they can jump up on the table and eat your food. But it's the little doggies I like, it's the little doggies. But anyway, I'm the Don Father. I just want to say hello to everybody. Football season is here. Back in the day, we used to make those games happen. We are, I shouldn't get into that, but you know what I mean. We know at the end of the day who's going to win. That was a long time ago, but it is what it is. It's high tech now. Because I can't do that no more, Frankie. Can't do that. Anyone ask me any more questions before I go?
No, I'm afraid to, actually, but, no, Big Joey, I did have a conversation with him, and he's a big Cowboys fan, so. That's why I went.
Okay, Joey, he drives for me. He drives my Cadillac around. Okay, don't ask him too many questions, because he think you the feds or somebody. We got to keep this thing quiet. Listen, I'm the Don. I'm gonna get out of here. I got the Don Marquez. I brought him some peppers and sausages, and I'm gonna go out there and check on him. But this is the Don Father. Get your life insurance with Donald Marquez. He's a good fella. Call him up at 702-236-2624. Call him today. Do it today. Well, this is the Don. I'll see you next time. My people is going off on my leg. They got this thing strapped to me. They want to talk to me again. So I got to go. Bye-bye. Thank you, Don Father, for those words of encouragement. The Don is something else. I tell you, you gotta, if you want to see the Don Father, go to YouTube and put in Your Insurance Connection. It's a 7-minute video, and you can actually see the Don Father. He's a character. But he's a really good friend of mine. He helps me with my life insurance clients, those tough ones. He goes out and talks to them to help you, give you a little encouragement. But he's a good guy. He's a good fella. He don't mean any harm, but sometimes he makes Frank a little nervous. Which is okay. You ought to see the look on his face when the Don Father shows up. My name is Donald Marquez. You tune in to Your Insurance Connection. We like to have a little fun right here at Power 88. My number is 702-236-2624. Call me today, 702-236-2624. We have a lot of talk shows right here at Power 88. Take advantage of all the great talk shows we have. We have Sheila Smith tomorrow morning from 10 a.m. to 10:30. She can get that mortgage for you so you can get a house. This football team is coming to town, and I'm going to tell you something. The buzz is out that the property is going to go up in value. You want to start locking in right now and finding you a property. You could do it listening to Sheila Smith. She can get you pre-qualified for that loan. She can get you qualified. And then, talk to a realtor of your choice and go out and find your home. But a lot of these realtors today want you to be pre-qualified before they even show you a home. And then you know how much home you can afford. So it's to your advantage to check her out. Sheila Smith right here at Power 88 from 10 a.m. to 10:30. And also we have Like It Is Radio. right here at Power 88 on Fridays from 10 a.m. to 11 o'clock. Franklin, we hope for him for a speedy recovery. Please get well, my brother, because we got the Man Who Cook is coming up here next month, and we want to make sure that he's well and good for that. We have Cheryl Lightford. She's going to be the host of the show until Franklin returns, and check her out on Friday from 10 a.m. to 11 o'clock. Also, just getting back to Sheila Smith real quick, we're going to have a seminar on the 28th of this month right here at my office, right on the corner of Sahara and Rancho in the beautiful U.S. Bank building. It's a seminar. Sheila Smith and I are going to have a seminar together. She's going to get you pre-qualified for the mortgages, and also I'm going to take care of the insurance part of it. So give us a call today if you'd like to come to the seminar. We're going to have a seminar that Saturday morning on September 28th to get you pre-qualified for a home, and also we can give you an insurance review, no charge to you. Just come in. Give us a call for more information. Give us a call at 702-236-2624, 702-236-2624, 702-236-2624. Again, my Facebook listeners, I just want to thank you for those questions. My goodness, those questions are great questions today about life insurance. If you want term insurance, we can get you a 30-year term insurance policy. Minimum term that I will do is a 10-year. If your life insurance is going up for any reason, you look at your life insurance statement, your checking account statement, and you see your policy is going up. This is why you needed an insurance review. Don't continue to pay those higher payments. We can get you a level payment that's going to fit in your budget. You pick the due date from the 1st to the 28th of each month. We'll accommodate you with that. You tell us when to pull the money out. Now, you don't pay me for my services. You don't pay me monthly for the services. You pay the insurance company. I do not take any money in my office. You're going to pay direct to the insurance company. I'm just a link between you and the insurance company. I gather the information, I forward it to the insurance company. As an insurance agent, that's what we do. And also, I give you advice. If you're in a car accident and you need help with that, whether you're my customer or not, you don't know what to do, give us a call today at 702-236-2624, 702-236-2624. You're a renter. You need renter's insurance, renters. You need renter's insurance for a lot of different reasons. Protect your personal property in case there's a fire. Loss of use. If there's a fire, you have to relocate, or mold in your house, in your apartment, or your condo, or even a home that you're renting, and you need to relocate. This is why it's so important to talk to an insurance agent. If you have a renter's insurance policy, in that policy have what we call loss of use. Also, your homeowner's insurance. What does that mean? You can relocate while they're rebuilding your home or getting the mold out of your house. It's in your life insurance. It's in your homeowner's or renter's insurance policy. It's called loss of use. My name is Donald Marquez. You're tuning in to Your Insurance Connection. We're going to be broadcasting this Friday from 9:30 to 10 o'clock right here at Power 88. Until then, I want everyone to have a safe week. Until then, just keep it crispy.